Today we learn about balloon experiment with the science kit. Are you ready? The things we needed for the experiment is test tube, funnel, measuring cup, baking soda, scoop, 1 scoop of baking soda, vinegar, balloon. First, you're going to take 15 ml of vinegar. We're going to put it in the measuring cup. And put the funnel inside the balloon. And we'll add the baking soda into the funnel. Make sure that all the baking soda is going inside the balloon. Now we pour the vinegar into the test tube. Now we stretch the balloon out and connect it with the test tube. Slowly and carefully. Slowly pull the balloon top on the test tube. Now see the magic. See the chemical reaction. When you add baking soda with vinegar, it reacts and form a gas. Blow up the balloon. This is today's experiment. We meet again with another experiment. Bye, friends. Thanks for watching. Click the red color button to subscribe. Kindly subscribe.